So I recently just picked up my new G80 M3. This is a 2023 M3. For those of you that kind of know me, you've checked out Untitled Label. Obviously, this is a new channel, John Mission. It's going to be more so focused on more so my other hobbies, mainly cars. One of the things that I do want to get into is car photography, car videography. So my plan is to use this channel to essentially work my way up, eventually get my allocation for the Porsche. I said it here, first video, we'll see what happens. Okay, but I just picked this car up on Tuesday. I've waited about 8 months for it now. It's a little bit dirty. My plan for today is to drop it off at Vive Auto Detailing in Houston. They're going to have the car for a little bit. I'm planning to have it detailed, ceramic coated, as well as PPF for the front end, just to avoid the rock chips. So before we do that, I have my drone with me. We're going to go somewhere, take a couple shots. A lot of people have been asking me about the car, but to be honest, I haven't really taken any pictures, any videos of it. I've just been kind of just enjoying the moment, enjoying this new purchase, and just taking it all in, man. This is a goal accomplished. I've wanted this car for a long time. I've been talking about an M3 for a long time, and to actually be able to have one, drive one as my daily, this is extremely motivating for me. So I'm just still dumbfounded, still surreal, and just taking it all in. And this is just gonna continue, and this is just motivation to continue to do bigger and better things, man. So you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you tag along for the whole video. If not, I'll catch you on the next one. So actually finding places to record at might be a little bit harder than expected. I went to the first place that I shot the Porsche 911 video at. If you haven't seen that, I'll post that video. It's actually on my Untitled Label channel, which is mainly based on being a field service engineer. A little bit about me, a little bit about my background. I'm a field service engineer. That's my profession. That's what I do as my day job. However, I am a very creative person. That's why I kind of started this channel, as well as my other YouTube channel. So check that video out if you're interested in seeing a little montage I did on my friend Mike's 911. But anyways, I was at the first place, got kicked out, so I moved to a park. I'm gonna hopefully try to shoot some video, a little bit of videos, take some more pictures out here. I actually just got back home. I was shooting some of the videos for the car, as well as taking some pictures, and my gimbal died, so I came back home to charge it. I'm now going to run to FedEx in order to ship some of these new hoodies that I just got. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, you can check out the website, which is going to be untildlabelclothing.com. They're on there for $80, helps support the channel, and definitely appreciate it.